Making a batch of Donair sauce to go with some pizzas we're making later. I use a half a cup of white sugar, throw in a can of evaporated milk, a whole can, garlic to taste, and 3 and about half tablespoons of vinegar when we're done. What I do is I heat the sugar, garlic, and milk just to a boil, and then let it simmer for just a minute, turn it off, wait just a minute or two, and then drop in the vinegar one spoonful at a time. And it makes it nice and thick instead of using cornstarch and stuff like that. It just turns out really well.